Hi guys, welcome back to Tactics Tutorial. Today we're going to talk about how to make a digital planner to sell on Amazon. It's a step-by-step guide to follow easily, so don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Let's dive right in. Now, in today's video, we will be focusing on a topic wherein we will be able to sell a digital planner on Amazon. Now, Amazon is a great platform to start selling some digital planners because you will be able to have a lot of audience, have a lot of potential buyers. And so the platform that we will be using to create our digital platform or our digital planner is called Canva. If you don't know, Canva is an amazing platform that would allow us to build virtually any type of project that we want. We could create videos, social media posts, random presentation, or even just a basic project. And one of the basic projects that we could do is a digital design or a digital planner. So in Canva, either you could click on create a design and click on custom size, where you could put your custom width and height for your digital planner if you want to be able to customize it on a deeper level. Or you could click on the search bar and simply search digital planner. By clicking on enter, you will be able to see different types of digital planner templates available in Canva. Now, these are created by other people, but we will be able to use them for ourselves as well. Now, there's a lot of different digital planner designs over here, so let's get started. So, I'm going to be opening a few over here that are good, just like this, and we can click on customize this design. Now, in Canva, the main features that you will be utilizing are elements and text over here on the left side, as you can see here. Elements basically are different types of things that you could add to your design. So if you search in the elements, let's say Christmas tree, since it's Christmas soon, as you can see, you will be able to see graphics, photos, videos, and even frames and audio. So after looking for the type of topic that you want, of course, if it's a digital planner, it will be related to a digital planner. Whether it's a design or an entire component, you can simply search it over here. For example, calendar. Since calendar can be a part of a digital planner, you will be able to see here some simple designs that you could add to your output. For example, this one. But as you can see earlier, we selected it from templates, and this is one of the templates that I have opened earlier. Now, you could copy or use them as an inspiration to create your own digital planner. This will allow you to have an idea on what the content should be. So for example, we got this over here. Now what we could do is we could change the background and add our own elements. For example, let's say minimalist Christmas design. Like that. And click on graphics, and we will be able to see designs over here. Let's say our digital planner would be Christmas theme, so we could add some different effects over here. Let's see. Now you could search up for a better keyword or something, but let's just add something like this for now. Like that, and you can drag it all over the place, something like that. And assuming we have here water intake, you can also customize this. You could either select this and change the color to however you want. Purple, something like that. And you can just basically move around things, change the different parts of the digital planner that you have selected. The template, for example, I could do this, and I could just select all of this, move it below here. Let's put fitness over here beside the to-do list. Okay, like that. Then we could take our water intake back. You could put it on you could put it on the original position or on another position that you want, just like with what I'm doing here. So like that. So what you could do is you could visit the templates, look for designs that you want. You could open multiple templates as once, so you could have multiple inspiration to choose from and build your own digital planner. And that's basically the method that I'm telling you guys to do, because it is a quick and easy way to create a digital planner. Although you could do a manual way, wherein you could go over here, look in the elements again, then drag and drop the different elements that you want. For example, we have this one. Let's color it with a different shade. Let's go with a light version, or let's go with this one, just like that. Then I could duplicate it. Let me turn the background darker. Then let's position this to the back, just like that. And I could put it all just like that. And now we have like a simple box over here. Then let's say this is for like task for tomorrow. I'll put it over here for tomorrow, just like that. Then I could search up lines. We'll go to graphics. There's a lot of different lines over here. You can utilize this as designs, for example, just like that. And you can add like random designs that you want. It all depends on your preference, something like that. Then lines, I guess let's go add in text, just like this. Then you could put this over here, make it smaller, I guess. There we go. Then you could make it bigger, or this one won't work. You're going to have to look for different elements are going to fit your preferences. There's a lot of preference over here, so I don't think you're going to run out of preferences. So I guess let's just go with the line, and let's just simply drag and drop it over here, just like that. Then put it in the center, drag and drop. Let's add some spacing, 0.9, 0.8, just like that. And then you can do this for all parts of a digital planner. Of course, my design is super basic right now, but for you guys, I believe you guys will be able to do a greater job. Then, for example, we have this other template over here, wherein you could do the same thing. You could copy and use this as an inspiration. Now, after creating your digital planner, you can also put it on something like this, so that you could promote it on Amazon, something like this. You could create a front page, similarly to what we are seeing right now. Take advantage, or take a full advantage of the templates, because it will save you a lot of time and a lot of effort for creating a design. Although you are completely free to build it from scratch, no one is stopping you. But for those guys who want to do this quick and easy, you can do the method that I have taught you. But if you don't want that as well, you can do the manual moving or using of the elements. You could use text over here. There's a lot of different font combination that are fun, and you could use it as well. So you can delete this for now and delete this. And after, let's say, building your digital planner, you have a complete digital planner with all the things that you need. Simply click on share over here on the top right. You will see this button, download, and you could download it as a PNG, JPEG, PDF, or a PDF print over here. You could choose the type of file type that you want, then you can simply click on download, which would allow you to download that specific file. And after that, you can simply go to Amazon, fill out the different information that are necessary, and upload the design that you're trying to sell. So that's basically it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.